Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Your commission, ID, and notarial journal must match state rules. Once verified, inspect your stamp for correct wording, expiration, and security features so it will be accepted. Make sure the document has the signature line and date field ready and that the signer is physically present with government ID. Now ink your stamp or test impression on scrap to confirm clarity. Proceed immediately to the notarization steps once impression is sharp and all paper. You verify identity methodically, inspect government ID, note details, or use a credible witness if allowed. Once identity is confirmed, ask the signer to sign in your presence. Record the event in your journal with name, date, document type, and fee if charged. Align the stamp over the notarial block area and press evenly to get a full impression. If using an embosser, apply steady pressure. Then complete the certificate language, sign as notary, and add your commission expiration so the record is clear. You finish by confirming every required field is completed and that the notarial certificate is attached and initialed where needed. Hand the notarized document to the signer and secure your journal entry. If digital, ensure encryption and backup. If the stamp impression is light or smudged, do not ignore it. Either restamp where allowed on an attached adhesive panel or follow your state's re-execution procedure to avoid invalidation. If problems persist, contact the commissioning authority for corrective steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.